Morning. Just dyed my roots and blow dried my hair. Feel like a new person. God. I still look tired. Just want to show you this. I've just put on a tiny bit of my Luminate base, which is like really, really sheer. It's lovely, that one. But I just want to show you, I got sent this, which is called Kili Golden Skin Glow Liquid Bronzer. Okay. And it's really nice. I wore it yesterday. And everybody kept saying, oh, you look really tanned. I have caught the sun because I've been in the garden a few days. Oh, there's somebody behind me. What do you want? Right, so I'm just going to put a squidge of this on. And I kind of put it on. You can put it in your foundation or just as like a bronzer type thing. Let me find a brush. I have my millions of brushes here. I'll use this one. Also, it's all natural. You know, there's no parabens or anything. Kili, right? So then I'll just do that and then watch this. So you can blend it with your finger and you can put it in your foundation or in your moisturiser. Always put a little bit under there because it's always super white down there, but look at that, just simple, but it's nice, isn't it? Just look a bit sun-kissed. Thank you very much. That's going to stay in the makeup bag. Cute little lid.